Soft and tender chocolate cupcakes. They are so flavorful, and here's the secret. They are gluten-free. I bet you didn't expect that, right? Like many of my recipes, they are so easy to make with just a handful of healthier ingredients. They are also freezer friendly, so make a batch or two for a rainy day. It's a bit challenging to eat, but I'm not gonna be graceful about it. Let's start with our dry ingredients. 1 1/3 cup of oat flour, half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you don't have oat flour, then just grind your own oats into a fine texture. Measure the amount after grinding, not before. Okay, let's set this aside for a while. We are going to start with the wet ingredients by making our own buttermilk. Half cup of milk and half tablespoon of lemon juice. Leave them untouched for 10 minutes. Then we're going to add 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half cup of coconut sugar, and finally half cup of coconut oil. You can use whatever dry sweetener and oil that you prefer. It's fine. Okay, now that we have everything mixed like this, let's add our dry ingredients that we prepared earlier. Mix everything until there's no lumps. Don't worry about over mixing it because the cupcakes are not going to be dense. Because since oat flour is gluten free, so we won't be developing any. Divide the beautiful batter evenly into 12 muffin liners. I love using ice cream scoop as it makes it easier. I use my ice cream scoop for everything except for scooping ice cream. Now, bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 18 to 22 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Now, let's just leave them to cool completely before we start frosting them. And talking about, we'll prepare our chocolate frosting meanwhile. It's just gonna take 2 ingredients. That's how easy it is. Here I have 7 ounces of dark chocolate that I'm chopping into small pieces. And to that, I'm going to add half cup of full-fat coconut milk. What I'm going to do now is just melt the chocolate in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. Give everything a mix every time you take it out from the microwave. This way the chocolate melts evenly and doesn't burn. Once you have it luscious like this, chill it in the fridge for 1 hour for it to firm up. After that, we're gonna whisk the frosting for more or less 10 minutes. We want to incorporate air into it. This way, it's gonna get fluffy and light, and you also see the color will start turning pale. This frosting is very sturdy to bite. You're gonna have clean, sharp edges, and it looks so beautiful. You can find the written recipe with more tips on our website elmondoeats.com. I'll leave the link in the description box below. We have both the US and metric measurements there so that it's going to be easier for you no matter where you are. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.